Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare sponge cake in an easy way without using butter. Take 2 eggs in a bowl. Blend the 2 eggs into a semi-peak consistency. Today we are going to add egg, maida, sugar and yeast to make the cake. Half cup of warm milk. It should not be too hot, neither too cool. 1 tablespoon of yeast. Sugar as per your taste. Mix them well. Make sure that you get a good quality of yeast. Add the blended egg into it. Now it's time to add 2 cups of maida. Don't add this maida at once. Gradually add them and keep mixing it gently. If it is not sufficient, you can add required amount of milk and make it into a semi-thick texture. Now our batter has turned into a silky texture. This consistency is perfect for a sponge cake. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the batter doubles in size. Now just mix it so that the air bubbles escape. Now just transfer a small portion of batter into a bowl. Add few drops of color. It's completely optional. Mix them. If you want a colorful sponge cake, you need to follow this step, or else you can directly bake the batter. Take a cake mold and just apply some butter. Pour the batter onto it. Just tap it so that it spreads well. Now just bake the cake in an air fryer at 180 degree. Now just check the cooked consistency with a toothpick. If you don't have an air fryer at home, then you can even try this sponge cake in a cooker. Just check the description. I have given the link. Now just flip the bowl. You have got a perfect bakery style sponge cake. It came out so soft. Try this wonderful recipe at your home and kids enjoy eating this sponge cake. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.